Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will demonstrate how to install Server 2008 on VirtualBox, install VirtualBox tools on server, show some server level configs and how to take server snapshot under VirtualBox. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more similar technical videos. Let's launch VirtualBox. You can define path for your new virtual machines under File tab Preferences. Next we can hit New to start creating our Server 2008 virtual machine. Give your machine a meaningful name and attach ISO from your ISO file location directory. For Server 2008 it's suggested to check box Skip unattended installation. Assign memory and CPU as per your environment requirement. Define disk size and checkbox pre-allocate full size if you want to reserve machine disk size on storage. Start the Server 2008 machine and wait for installation screen. Enter the license key if you have, or you can skip this step and continue installation. You can activate server any later time. Choose the version of server as per your business need or recommended by application vendor. Make sure to choose full installation for graphical interface. If you have more than one disks attached, select the primary disk for OS installation. Wait for installation process to finish. You must need to update administrator account password on your first login screen. Following are some common changes you can make after your first login on server. You can update time according to your time zone. Most importantly, you need to install VirtualBox for machine performance. Install tools according to your server OS architecture. For lab testings, it's best practice to turn firewall off, or it depends if you want to disable or enable specific ports only. You can enable remote connection if you wish to RDP server later from other tools or remote locations. For network, you can configure connection as per your business or lab needs. By default, it's automatic, but you can define static IP if proper DNS and DHCP setup on your environment. Also, you can define server name as per your environment resources naming conventions. Lastly, we will shut down machine and take snapshot of current server state. It's best practice to took backup of fresh installed VM, so if you break something you can revert machine to snapshot state. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe for more content.